Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you my Toy Story collection, Buzz Lightyear from Thinkway Toys. And here's his certificate of authenticity. And it says, "This definitive Buzz Lightyear is a certified replica lovingly produced by Thinkway Toys using digital data from the world's first full-length computer animated film. I hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed creating the character." And here's John Lasser and hey, howdy, hey. And so here's Buzz Lightyear. Sorry I don't have the box because I threw it out, but I have the certificate of authenticity and the instruction manual. And here's his instructions. And here he is, and I'll show you these pages of him. Here, one of the pages in the instruction manual, and here. Oh, sorry, that was in French. It's in French. Here he is. Play instructions, toy buzz mode, and highly posable hyper sleep mode. And here is interactive Space Ranger mode, interactive talkback, interactive retractable helmet. He has interactive flip up wrist communicator, interactive fly mode, and he's motion activated. And here are the battery instructions and battery caution, function selector, and Space Wings pop off safety feature. And here are the helpful hints. So that's it about his instruction manual, and let's get to Buzz now. Here he is. So he looks just like exactly from the movie, and he has a swirl for his chin, and he's got the blue eyes. And Space Ranger, Lightyear, and his little buttons, and laser, and here he is. And here's his back. It says Danger Jet Exhaust, and here he is. And he doesn't have a karate chop action. So here's Buzz now, and I'm going to show you his articulation on the arm. So his arms go around like 360 degrees. Sorry if I touched by accident. And his arms go back and forth, and they do not go all the way down. And sorry if I pressed the laser by accident. And yeah, he has no head articulation because it's a motorized toy. He has a motorized head, and his fingers can move. And his legs can wait. his legs can move, bend, like go forth and back and bend, and he can bend at the knee, and you can also rotate this too, and his feet can move forth and back. So that's it for his articulation. And so I'm going to show you what he has. And here's his switch on off demo. He's on mode, and he's in Space Ranger mode right now. So let's hear what he says in toy mode.
I protect the galaxy from the threat of invasion. I come in peace. To infinity and beyond. This is an intergalactic emergency. Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. I am Buzz Lightyear. I protect the galaxy from the threat of invasion.
And he has a wrist communicator, and when you open it up, it makes a sound. And here's his thing from the movie Gamma Sector 4. And here's the sticker just like in the movie. And when you close this up, it makes a sound. And here's his laser. And when you hold it down, it doesn't stay on. But it'd be cool if it was in the movie. And here's his wings. And I like his blinking lights. And his wings, like the side of his wings, like the lights, this one blink red and this one blinks green. So let's close the wings back on, and so here's his helmet, and it makes the sound when you open it, and when you close it down, it makes the sound. And he also glows in the dark. I'm gonna show. I don't know if you can see if he glows in the dark, but because it's hard to see with this camera. So yeah, I don't think that it glows in the dark for you, but because of this camera, but it does glow in the dark. You should get this toy, and I'm gonna show you his features. So Buzz has a toy mode when you press the red or green button, and for Space Ranger mode, he press the blue button and he'll say something.
I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger.
Hey, what's up, Buzz? He may
No readout yet if the air is breathable. I better keep my helmet closed.
And he may
are you ready for adventure in uncharted space?
He may talk to you if you talk to him, like he'll respond. And I'm gonna show you what he does with his helmet. He'll react when you open his helmet.
The air isn't toxic. How dare you open a spaceman's helmet on an uncharted planet? My eyeballs could have been sucked from their sockets.
And when you close it, he does say something too.
Switching to internal air supply.
And if you raise your voice at him,
to infinity and beyond.
If you raise your voice at him, he may react. Hey, Buzz!
What was that? Not to worry, a Space Ranger fears nothing.
Hey, Buzz!
Now, no need to raise your voice. I can hear you perfectly fine.
Hey, Buzz!
Is there an emergency? Buzz Lightyear, to the rescue!
So that's all he says when you raise your voice at him. Like 3 sayings. So I'm gonna show you his wrist communicator. Like what happens when you open the wrist communicator.
Yes, I need to rendezvous with Star Command.
And
Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. Command, Star Command.
when you talk to him or press any buttons, he may respond to what he's saying about his communicator. And let's close it. And when you're in space range, when he's in space ranger mode,
Local law enforcement, it's about time you got here. My ship has crash landed here by mistake.
press this green button to turn off his microphone.
Buzz Lightyear, signing off.
And his laser, he moves his head when you press the laser in Space Ranger mode. And his wings, here.
I could fly around this room with my eyes closed.
So I'm gonna show you what he does. Watch this if I tilt him. Check it out. And when you make him stand up, he may...
See? I can fly.
So when you put him down, he the flight sounds stop, like when the sound effects for his flying mode. And I'm gonna show you what he does when you leave him. So when you press the green button again, his talkback mode will come back.
Buzz Lightyear reporting for sector duty.
How is it going, Buzz?
Have you seen my spaceship? It'll take weeks to repair it.
So let's leave him alone first.
Hello? Are you still there? Hello? Anybody? Time for hypersleep.
That's all too he says when you leave him alone. Like he asks, like, where are we? Or if he doesn't know where he is because he's suspicious. And and the last saying is like when he's going to sleep, because he may go to sleep when you leave him alone. And I'm gonna show you a size comparison to Woody. So here's Woody, and Buzz and Woody are the same height as in the movie, like same scale. So thanks for watching, and next video is them talking to each other, and hope you look forward to that, and I'll see you guys next time.